Hey people, I thought I'd just show off the newest acquisition in my collection. I got this about a week ago. This is a Galaxy model 3712. This is the little 12-inch box fan from the 80s. I thought I'd get me one of these. A lot of fan collectors have them, so I thought I'd have one. This is like the little brother to that model 3713 that I have. The one that comes with its box. So 11 overall. Look at this and we'll fire it up. It's one side. Same color as the 3713. Has a little bit of small bits of rust on the outside cabinet. There's the other side. Not very many marks on that side. I just made just that right there. And it's got the cord coming out the bottom of that side. Flip it around to the back. There's no telling what kind of motor that is. Some of my fan collecting friends on Facebook believe it's probably just some kind of Asian motor. And when I first got the fan, it needed oil. It would be slow starting up and it would stop quickly, but given a good amount of oil in it, runs great. Turn this back around. Shit. There's the top of the fan. A really big blemish right there. Probably some of the paint scratched off. And sadly, like most of these fans, as Esky Wolf would say it, no handle! Yeah, it's missing the handle like most of these tend to be. Since it's a small box fan, instead of having a speed plate, it's got the speeds labeled on the dial. It's got the same Galaxy logo and badge as the full-size 20-inch models. And of course it has a small 7-wing blade set. And I'll run this for you. According to my friend, fellow user, Box Fan Willie, these are he and others refer to these as beehive fans because it's kind of what they sound like when they run. They sound like either that or a swarm of angry bees. And another user, N. Lind, refers to them as refrigerator fans because they sound damn like fans used in commercial grade refrigerators. So here it is on high. And here's low. It's probably cool. Low speed runs faster than this when it's warmed up. Back to high. And as always, OFF spells off. And there you have it. It's my Galaxy Model 3712 12-inch box fan. Thank you for watching. Oh, and this one's from the same year as my 3713, 1981 82, so I'll throw that in there. So, thank you for watching.